Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we're going to take a look at just an absolutely stunning 1970 Chevelle. This is a matching numbers SS396 car, guys. This is the King Daddy, the 70 with a big block, 4-speed car. Sorry about the wind and the leaves. Gorgeous car, guys. Complete frame-off restoration. Done. Now, I'm giving you all... Unfortunately, I was the third wheel on a trade here. This car came out of Kansas. A buddy of mine had a $400,000 Lamborghini for sale. I was the third wheel to put his trade together. I bought the car outright. But the gentleman that traded it didn't build it. He bought it from the family, from the gentleman that built this car, did the restoration on it. Unfortunately, he has passed. Again, it is a matching numbers SS396, 350 horse engine. I don't want to tell you it's got the matching numbers trans because I can't make out the VIN number on the trans, but it is a 70 Muncie 4-speed transmission, so I'm assuming it's probably right, but I can't read the VIN. Correct 12-bolt rear end and F41 suspension. It is a factory code 75 Cranberry red car. The only thing is it was not a red interior. He changed it to that. It was a factory black interior car. But gorgeous car. I mean, as we walk around, you'll see this thing. It is a fresh frame-off restoration done within the last 5 or 6 years, they said. There's supposedly less than 1,000 miles on this car since it was done, and it's really kind of sat most of the time. Operable. It's got the functional cowl hood. And a gorgeous car, man. Funny thing is, I'll tell you what, I can remember 30-something years ago, my dad had this exact same car. It was an automatic, though. It was not a 4-speed. I sold that car for $25,000, and that was a lot of money back then. Factory tach and gauge car, power tops, got the Delco AM/FM radio. Again, slick cranberry red paint. I took some pictures of the top. It has one tiny little tear on the driver's side over there, and it's a small one. Gorgeous car. They did put new quarter panels on the car. It's they're NOS full-length quarters. Sorry, it's just a little wax, guys. Chrome, stainless. All that stuff was replaced. It's even got all new exhaust with the, it's got the resonators still on the rear. It's got the old bias ply Goodyear F70-14 tires all the way around it. Factory 15-inch rally wheels. I'm sorry, 14-inch rally wheels. Car came out of Kansas. Pretty car right here. Not a whole lot I can really nitpick, guys. Gorgeous paint. You can see how pretty that paint is. Again, matching numbers, 396. It's a CTX code, which is the 350 horse, which makes sense with the 4-speed. Factory intake, I'll put the casting number in for the intake. It's got the old Quadrajet carburetor on it. Power steering, power front disc brakes. Again, the VIN number is on the blocks. It's matching numbers engine. I cannot make out the VIN on the trans. I know it's a 70-day coded trans, 70-day coded Muncie, but I can't tell you if it's the original one. I can't just, you know, can't make out the numbers. I've ordered the vents, or I'm sorry, not the vent, yeah, the grates for underneath the dash there. I've also ordered the, what do you call it, the filters there for the underneath the hood. Pretty car, guys. Yeah, look how nice this piece of stainless is. Glass is all nice. I saw a couple little scratches in some of the side glass, but again, nothing major. It's not, you're not going to replace, don't take it as I'm telling you, you're going to replace the glass. It's just, the glass isn't all brand spanking new. Kind of like you can see a little bit of a blemish there on your door handles. New door rubbers. You can see the bottoms of the doors are nice and clean. I love this red. Again, factory red car. Sorry. Stuff blowing in here like crazy. New carpet, new sill plates. Jeez. I've ordered, it's got the rubber mats in it. I've ordered the red carpeted mats for it. They'll say Chevelle SS on it. Man, sorry, there's just leaves blowing everywhere. Power top. Bucket seats console. It's got the Muncie shifter in it. Sports steering wheel. 69,316, and yes, that is supposed to be the actual miles on it. Tach and gauge car. No, the clock doesn't work. It's got the Delco AM/FM radio. It is again factory dual exhaust car. It's got the resonators in the rear. I'll put the codes in for the rear end. It is a 70 12-bolt rear end with a 331 posi traction gear. Factory F41 suspension. Again, you can see sorry about the dust. They did put full quarters on it. Did a nice job. Even the seams are real nice in here. It's got the spare. It's all spackle coated in here. Most of these are usually gone, but the little wheel well boot has a little tear in it. Most people pull those out, to be honest with you. They're not even in there. Gorgeous car, man. Well, this wind and the leaves just playing havoc. Gorgeous underneath. It doesn't have the solid mounts on the chrome tips there. So when you get into it a little bit, sometimes the chrome tip will rattle a little bit. Again, yes, am I nitpicking? I'm just kind of telling you what I've seen, or everything that when I drove it. It's just got the rubber mounts is what it is. A little touch-up mark right there. Pretty car, man. You can tell that dash is original. Doesn't look like anybody's messed with that. Again, same thing on that door handle. You can nitpick that a little bit. See that went down. The flapper hood works. Pretty car, man. It's got the optional hood pins. Parking brake works. Tach works. Looks like all your gauges are working. Car's got good sound. I didn't turn it. No on the radio blower motor. I have to check the blower. I don't know if he's getting it or not. It does work. Does work. Does work, guys. No on the wipers. We'll check them. Again, this car's been sitting, so. Oh, we'll check that. I bet you we'll wiggle that light and it'll probably work. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our social media, Facebook, Instagram. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube. You can do that by clicking a little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video, guys. Well, that car is stunning. Pretty car right there. And that's a big dog, the 70 Chevelle SS convertible, matching numbers with a 4-speed.